Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off personalized ads on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open settings. In settings page tap privacy and security. Scroll down. Find and tap Apple advertising. Toggle off personalized ads. This stops Apple for using your personal data like your activity interest or purchases to show you targeted ads. Solution 2. Go to settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap apps. Scroll down. Find and tap Safari. Scroll down. Here, toggle off block pop-ups. Tap extensions. Enable all the ads guard toggles. Allow extensions. Solution 3. Go to settings. Tap privacy and security. Tap location services. Here, toggle off location services. Select tracking in privacy and security. Then toggle off allow apps to request to track. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.